Darling! Not you. I meant my husband.
Have a nice trip, darling.
Lovely. Until these two came aboard. And they've done nothing but annoy me all the way in.
You run along home.
Goodbye.
Fiddling, huh? Well, we don't like your kind around these parts. And there's one thing we don't allow. And that's messing with our women. Now, if you want to stay healthy, you better catch the next coach out of town.
Why, yes, sir. We'll be glad to. Just as soon as we've finished with our business.
And if you miss the next coach, you'll be riding out of here in a hearse. Good day, strangers.
Good day.
Goodbye.
Let well enough alone.
Come into France, come into France, left the glance, come into dance, glide and prance, Tommy wiggle, take your partner and you hold her, slidey and fold her, a little bold, just work your shoulders, snap your fingers, one and all, in the hall, at the ball, at home. Commence to dancing, commence to prancing, commence to prancing, right and left to glance, commence to dance, slide and prancing, you do the tango jiggle, the Tommy wiggle, take your partner and you hold her, slidey and fold her, a little bold, just work your shoulders, snap your fingers, one and all, in the hall, at the ball, at commence to dance, commence to prance, commence to dance, left to glance, commence to dance, glide and prance, Tommy wiggle, take your partner and you hold her, slidey and fold her, a little bold, just work your shoulders, snap your fingers, one and all, in the hall, at the ball, at home. Commence to dancing, commence to prance, commence to dance, right to left to glance, commence to dance, right and prance, and you do the tango jiggle, the Tommy wiggle, hold the partner and the hold, slidey and fold, a little hold, your shoulders, snap your fingers, one and all, in the hall, at the ball, and commence to dancing, commence to prance, commence to dance, right to left to glance, commence to dance, right and prance, and you do the tango jiggle, the Tommy wiggle, hold the
chance? What'll it be?
Do you happen to know the whereabouts of a young lady by the name of Mary Roberts?
Sure. She's around here someplace.
I'm Miss Roberts' guardian. What do you want to see her for?
Well, we have some very important news for her.
Oh, what's it about?
Well, I'm sorry, sir, but we're not supposed to discuss that with anyone but her.
Yeah, you see, it's private. Her father died and left her a gold mine, and we're not supposed to tell anybody but her. See? Didn't we, Ollie?
A gold mine?
It's the biggest thing this
Now
time.
that he's taken you into our confidence, you might as well know the rest.
We've got the deed to the property, and we're supposed to give it to her in person.
What?
I said, we've got the deed to the property at
Say, you better show it to him. Maybe he doesn't believe us.
It's the truth.
Say, did I give you the deed?
Oh, I know where it is. Excuse me. Mary Roberts.
Come here. Have you ever seen this Mary Roberts? Good. Well, I'll go and find her for you, but don't tell a soul about it till I get back.
We won't. Thank you. It's a good thing we found her.
We've got a fortune right in the palm of our hand.
What do you mean?
There's a couple of desert rats downstairs looking for Mary Roberts.
What about it?
They've got a deed to a very valuable gold mine left to her by her father, and they're here to deliver it to her in person.
Well, ain't that just grand?
It would be if you were Mary Roberts.
I got you, but I'd never get away with it.
Sure you would. They've never seen Mary Roberts.
Then it's a cinch.
Think you can do it?
Can I do it? For a gold mine, I could be Cleopatra.
That's the girl.
Bring 'em up.
I will have it. Oh. Hey. If you come upstairs, I'll introduce you to Mary Roberts.
Right away, sir.
Did you call me, Mr. Finn?
No. No. Get back into the kitchen where you belong. Go ahead now. Don't bother. This way, gentlemen. Come like this. This way, gentlemen. Just sit yourselves down and I'll go and get Mary for you. I've already told her the news and she's terribly shocked. Lola, they're here.
Swell, kiddo.
Put these in your arms. Mary, these are the gentlemen I was telling you about.
Tell me about my dear, dear daddy. Is it true that he's dead?
Well, we hope he is. They buried him.
Oh, it can't be. What did he die of?
I think he died of a Tuesday. Or was it Wednesday? Do you remember?
I'll handle this delicate situation. Little lady, you've heard the worst. Now prepare yourself for the best. Now cheer up. Smile. That's right. Remember, every cloud has a silver lining.
That's right. Any bird can build a nest, but it isn't everyone that can lay an egg. Is it, Ollie?
That's right.
Do you realize that you own one of the richest gold mines in the world?
Oh.
Your father left you the whole property, and he gave me the honor of presenting you with the deed.
Oh, isn't it wonderful, Uncle Fan?
Yes, my dear. Who's there?
Mary!
Mary who?
Merry Christmas.
Excuse me, Mr. Finn. One of these gentlemen dropped us at the foot of the stairs.
Oh, my, thank you, little lady. You don't know what you've done. Thanks.
All right.
There you are, signed, sealed, and now delivered.
Oh, thank you so much.
Not at all. Come, Stanley, we better.
Now that you got the mine, I bet you'll be a swell gold digger.
What's to leave him for?
I'll send the writer. You have to sign that deed over to us.
Oh, don't worry about me. Get those guys out of town and pronto.
All right.
What a stench.